Developed by the Regional Educational Laboratory Southeast, the Implementing Evidence-Based Literacy Practices Roadmap is a concise and easy-to-use navigational tool that outlines the steps necessary to implement empirically grounded literacy practices. Embedded within the roadmap are links to resources such as websites, videos, infographics, and documents related to the following 8 areas: understanding evidence-based practices, forming an implementation team, creating a logic model for implementing and evaluating evidence-based literacy practices, self-study of readiness for implementing literacy interventions, selecting evidence-based instructional materials and strategies, resources for selecting literacy assessments, implementing evidence-based practices, and evaluating implementation of evidence-based literacy practices on an ongoing basis. Valuable resources embedded within the roadmap help your team implement evidence-based literacy practices. Share these videos, infographics, links, and documents with your team. Reviewing the evidence levels described in the Every Student Succeeds Act and the What Works Clearinghouse are critical to understanding the evidence-based practices referenced in this roadmap. This step provides 2 easy-to-read infographics to describe these evidence standards. Implementing change across an organization requires coordination at multiple levels with an organized team. This step provides an infographic highlighting the roles and responsibilities of implementation team members. Logic models help teams consider how inputs, outputs, assumptions, and external factors affect short, medium, and long-term outcomes. This step provides multiple resources to create logic models for your organization. Self-study guides are valuable resources for teams to use to build consensus on current progress and future needs of the implementation of intervention. This step provides multiple self-study guides to support your teams. It takes time to systematically review the research literature to locate evidence-based instructional materials and strategies. This step provides multiple trustworthy resources to help your organization select materials and strategies. Click on the links in this step to download IES practice guides, literature digests, and research study reports. Understanding the key concepts of assessment, including defining types of assessments and their purpose, is important for your team. This step provides a video review of reliability and validity and a link to the National Center on Intensive Intervention Tools. Practice guides and professional learning communities, or PLCs, help put evidence-based recommendations into practice. This step provides links to IES practice guides and PLCs for foundational skills to support reading for understanding in kindergarten through 3rd grade, and teaching academic content and literacy to English learners in elementary and middle school. The last step of the roadmap provides recommendations for monitoring implementation and additional resources for understanding implementation through a systems approach. The National Implementation Research Network is a great resource for your organization. Access the Implementing Evidence-Based Literacy Practices Roadmap at ies.ed.gov today.